When received the machine, you can test the align size. How to set it? You can cut a square. For example, this machine is 13 by 25. You can cut a size square 25 by 35 square. And you measure this length and this length to compare if this length same as this length. If not same, you need to adjust this geometry position. How to adjust it? There are 1, 2, 3, 4. After opening this cell, inside there are 4 screws, and here is 2 screws. This side 6 screws, and this side is 6 screws. All those 12 screws, please make it loosen station. And then if you find this line is 25 and this line is 24, that means this line is bigger. Then you need to back it 1 millimeter is okay. How much this line value bigger than this line? It means you let this line back how much? And of course, when firstly you need to measure this length if same as this length. Firstly, check this side.